Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update cPanel on a VPS using WHM detailed guide step by step clearly. Log into your VPS using your root credentials. Open your web browser and enter the WHM URL. Enter your username and password to access the WHM dashboard. Once logged in, locate the left-hand menu. Click on the Server Configurations section. Select Update Preferences from the drop-down list. In the Update Preferences page, review the update settings. Choose your update type, either daily or weekly. Select the release tier that suits your need. Check any security updates to be included in your updates. After configuring your preferences, click the Save button. Return to the WHM homepage by clicking on the WHM logo. Next, look for the Software section in the menu. Select Easy Apache 4 to manage your Apache and PHP versions. Review the installed profiles and select Customize for the desired profile. Here, you can select the components you wish to update or add. Once your selections are made, click Review. On the review screen, check that all changes are correct. Click on the Provision button to apply the updates. Wait while Easy Apache processes your request. After it completes, return to the WHM homepage. Now, go back to the Server Configurations section. Select Update Preferences again to review your settings. Double-check that everything is set as intended. To perform a manual update, go to Software in the left menu. Click on Update Server Software. This will begin the process of updating the cPanel software. Wait for the update to finish processing. Once completed, you'll see a success message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.